seeing now Be'ez Hashem Yisbarach Daf Nun Dalet Amud Aleph. It starts with the Mishnah Hatzomes V'Agidim. Zog the Mishnah Hatzomes V'Agidim Ba'Noisa Yisarfu B'Shisha Aser. The time when you burn the bones of the Pesach is the 16th day. It means the leftover, the Noiser. Mchal Shisha Aser B'Shabbos, then you have to wait another day. Yisarfu B'Shiva Aser. In the Doich Les Shabbos Les Yom. Etzem she'emen lo basar. One goes in the sugya now. What's the locha if you have an etzem that has no basar on it? Just plain etzem. Rabbi Yechon Amar also the shayf. You're not allowed to break such a bone. Shlakish Amar mutter the shayf. Also Rabbi Yechon the Shlakish. What the nina not somos hagidem v'anoisi yisarf b'shisha aser. So according to Rabbi Yechon, it holds that it's also the shayf. As Shukur says mutter the shavrei. Why do you have to burn it? That's clear that there's no issur to have an off on bones. There's no nothing on it. So, in order to make kelim, you have to break it first. You can't break it. According to you, why don't you make kelim out of it? We're talking here a certain bone that has moyach inside. That's basar. Mainly, that's also to break. Let him break it. Take out the moyach, the jelly, and then he can use the etzem for whatever he wants. There's moyach there. So it has a din basar. What do you say that it's possible because it became noiser? Still is to break it. You cannot break even a bone, even a bone that became possible. It means even the basar is possible. You still cannot break that bone. Even if you hold that if the basar became possible right away, there's no issur. Let's look at Yankov. Gemara brings down in Bavli that even though Shita holds that there's no issur of shvius etzem by a carbon possible, but if it was kosher once, it had a shas of kosher v'nifsala, so everybody would agree it's usher. So Mele understand very well. We're talking here in a case where the bone is a bone that has a koilis, has inside some meat, and it became nicer. In such a bone, the Shloka should agree that you can't break it because the Isser of Shvius Etzem. Okay. Shmuel Omar. You can only count somebody, Chabura, to eat the juice, the fat from the moya, from the rosh. But not from the koilis. Koilis is the bone that it's from the arm or the leg. There's a big bone with a lot of jelly inside. Why not? You can pull it out through the ear. There's a hole, so you can do it without breaking the bone, right? Without breaking the skull. The only way to get it out is breaking it. You're not allowed to break, so you cannot make a person tell him, okay, you know what, you're going to get the jelly from that bone because you cannot break that bone. He holds that you could take it out because you could burn. You could burn it. You don't have to cut it with a knife. You can burn it, and that's not considered shvius etzem. And so there's a trick how to get it out without being over on the isser of shvius etzem. You should not do it. So the Gemara says this should go together with this. Adaita the Yankov. It's supposed to be Adaita the Yankov here. This is asking a question. Adaita the Yankov is supposed to be here because he's asking on this last one. According to him, Yisra v'Yimna. Why Taka? Why not? We're answering Obden Kodeshim. When he burns the bone, he's talking not over shvius etzem, but some of the jelly might get burnt. So the Maisa, it's the Eved, we say, okay, you have no choice. You could do it maybe very carefully, make sure it doesn't get burnt. Don't let somebody count on the jelly, because in order to get it out, you have to burn the bone, and you might break the bone. You might burn the kodesh, hefset kodesh. Where do we learn this out? This halacha that something that comes. Where do you know this halacha that you cannot do it right away? You have to wait. As the Gemara says, there's a isser. Shavuos means an isser. There's an isser. Doesn't mean Shavuos Rabbanan. It means an isser deraisa to burn on Yom Tov. What's the isser? The Gemara says, it means you have to wait 2 mornings. You can't do it the 15th. You have to wait till the 16th. That means the morning from the 14th is the 15th, and the morning from the 15th is the 16th. It shows that the sreifa you don't do right away. You do it only the next day. It must be an asmachta, because if it's not Yom Tov, then you could burn it the next day. So it's like sometimes it means Korban Pesach, you can't burn on Yom Tov. Asking an interesting question. It doesn't belong here really, but it has some kind of connection. If you want to make yourself something, let's say you want to make a fire to warm a stove, or to heat up the house, if you can use chametz for that. So it's interesting here. The Isser HaNoah of chametz does not apply. I guess because you only have a Noah after it turned into ashes already. That's totally not the issue here. The issue here is, since Ein Soir from Kodeshim B'Yom Tov, it's an Isser of burning the chametz on Yom Tov, just like you're not allowed to burn Kodeshim on Yom Tov. Very interesting. That's the problem here. Just like Noiser, you cannot burn on Yom Tov. Whoever learns out burning chametz from Noiser, we say just like Noiser you can't, the same you can't burn chametz. Because for him, it's not, the issue is not here because of having enough from chametz. The issue is of Ein Soir from Kodesh and Yom. Okay, we'll do one tiny piece, and then we'll finish the shir. We're going a little bit more than the daf. So this belongs to Sefta Shabbos. Amar Rabin Ba'achiyeh Yodel B'Shittas B'Shmuel. K'modei Shmuel Omer Tam and Tinik She'ov Zman and Nimel Beim Yom B'Layla. V'Hochi Ibn Zman and Nisbem Yom B'Layla. It brings down there in Sefta Shabbos this halacha that Kodeshim, once it's past the time, you can burn it even at night. In other words, you can't burn Shlomim the night after it becomes possible. But once you pass that time, then the next day, you're allowed to wait already, even for the night also. There's no Isra burning it at night. This is a Zaytik Gezach, doesn't really belong here. Atkan.